appreciate you clicking on this video. Like, subscribe, click all the stuff down below. You'll enjoy this, you'll enjoy the future content if you like archery, so you'll definitely want to stick around and follow around. If you're looking for an e-bike, check out RamboBikes.com. Use R Woods at checkout. It'll save you 20%. We're one of the very few discount codes for Rambo Bikes. We're happy to be associated with them, so go check them out. If you're in Arkansas and you're looking for a bow shop, you're looking for arrows, you're looking for bows, you're looking for releases, go check out Fishing Stuff in Sherwood. Top-notch archery shop, and they're good people. You should get to know your local archery shop. So stick around, this is gonna be a fun one. All right, so I wanted to make a little short video about sights. So I know I want to do more testing, more comparing, more in-depth reviews, stuff like that for this year. So we're looking at more arrows, broadheads, vanes, sights, bows. We're going to do a lot more of that this year. So sights are what we're looking at right now. I've got a video comparing the dialed and the Ultraview. Both great sights. Now we're bringing another one into it, the Booney from Spot Hogg. All three of these are great sights. Money-wise, the Booney is going to be your way to go for the bang for the buck, for the price. I think the Booney is probably your most durable sight. Spot Hogg makes a very well-built, very solid sight. Some things about the Booney that would concern me a little bit is you've got a lot of just joints here, you know, screws and stuff that are making that joint, whereas like your Ultraview, it's one rod clamped in. And everything, your left, right, up, down, all is on that one axis there. So you do get a little bit more, and the same with your dialed. You've got everything kind of on one axis. All of these, though, are going to give you that same ability, that same dial, that same movement, vertical. I do think your Spot Hogg's probably your farthest one that's going to stick out the most. If you look at these from where the pick mount is on these, and we'll try to do it without breaking any of them. The Spot Hogg's the farthest that sticks out. Ultraview's the shortest one. The Ultraview's probably the lightest. Spot Hogg's probably the heaviest. That's probably why you're paying a little less for the Spot Hogg, is you're not getting maybe some of the higher, lighter weight aluminum that maybe the UV's getting. Totally guessing there, I don't know. But you do get a little bit heavier sight with the Booney. The Booney, though, is very well built, very sturdy. Your lock here on the side rolls up and down good. It's not as smooth as the Ultraview, I'd say. Now maybe if I play with this a little more and get the tension knobs like I want them, maybe I could adjust that some more. But it is pretty stiff and a little bit harder to move. But you do get a lot of adjustability in, like, where do I want my sight to mount? If I want to move it up, I could do that and get my sight up on the rack a little more, which would be great for Shot 3D, tack, things like that. This one comes in right around 400, maybe a little more. This is a double pin, 10,000th double pin, so if you're shooting tack, Shot 3D and stuff like that, you probably want those really small pins, because at 80 and 100 yards, a 19,000th pin is going to take up the entire sight, or the entire target, and that's what all of these are, 10,000th pins. I personally really enjoy, and the void wheels off of this one, I'm getting some customization done on it. I personally really like the sight picture of the dialed sight. I like that the level being on top. It's just different, but I do like it. You know, it's just one of those things. It's not anything special. I think now this particular dialed was more expensive because it's a custom one, but I think your dialed and your Ultraview price-wise are going to be about the same. Your Spot Hogg going to be your cheaper one. These are going to be around 600. Spot Hogg was 400, so you're saving a couple $100 just to be a little bit lighter and a little shorter, basically. There are obviously some other features. You can't run double tapes on the Spot Hogg, or at least I don't know that you could. You can run double tapes on your UV and your dialed. You got a light here. The light's a lot cheaper on this versus those two. To throw the little twist knob sight in here. You can get custom rings on this, which I don't think you're going to get with the others. I know Dialed had talked about putting some like 3D printed rings on theirs, but it is cool that you necessarily don't have to change your peep. You can just change this ring to fit your peep, which is pretty neat. And I have had good success with these. I think this is a true bow hunter sight. The Spot Hogg Booney, true bow hunter sight. It's well built, it's solid, it's going to do the job. The price is affordable in this day and age. Locks in good, your indicators are good. My only problem in the past with the Fast Eddie was I thought the indicator pin was really blunt. It was really hard to, like if you're wanting to shoot 33.5 yards, you couldn't hardly get it on, like you had to just kind of guess because it was such a blunt point. Not necessarily seeing that out of this, so I do like that. So anyway, that's just my thoughts on these 3 sights. All of them are great. You won't have any problem with any of them. Booney, obviously going to be your more budget-friendly option. Not that it's really a budget-friendly option, but it's going to be your hunting option for most bows. Your dialed and your UV2 slider are going to be your more expensive options. There are pros and cons to all of them. I like the wheel that you get on the dialed, so you can see your, when I look straight down at it, I can see my distances. I don't necessarily like that on the UV. It's just kind of, it's on this bar, but it's kind of inside. So when you're looking at your bow, you kind of need to turn it a little bit, which is more movement. And I don't know that a deer will see it, but it is just a little something. But it is a great sight. I like how close it is to the bow. I like how light it is. The pins are super bright. The ergonomics of this is super smooth. I know you've heard that in some other videos, and I always wonder, like, what are they talking about? What do they mean by the ergonomics of this? But like, there's no pinch points because it's just a wheel, and everything else, like your movement, your clicks for your left-right windage are all in here. There is nothing to grab your glove or grab your hand, whereas the dialed, while I don't have the void wheel here, you hit this with your finger sometimes, especially when you get super aggressive with your turn. You'll hit your finger on this and kind of pinch your finger in there. So not a major thing, but if you're on a hunt and you need to quickly crank it down, you know, that might be something you run into when you're trying to make that move. But the sight itself, the dialed sight is one of my favorites. Just kind of a little bit of everything. I do think you get a little more distance with it. I do think it is smooth. The looks of it are amazing. Your Booney's not going to be super sexy, but it gets the job done. It's built well. It's going to last. And that's why it's one of the more popular sights. And you do kind of get the clicks now and the more fine movements that you didn't get in years past. So that's just my breakdown on it. I'm fixing to throw this Booney on this bow right here and get it sighted in. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, stick around. If you're looking for a bike, check out RamboBikes.com. Use RRR Woods at checkout. Save you a bunch of money. If you're looking for bows, sights, arrows, all that stuff, Central Arkansas, go check out Fishing Stuff. Follow all their stuff. I'll put it in the comments or in the description. So follow all that stuff. Check them out. If you go in there, you're buying some arrows or something, let them know you saw this video. Appreciate you guys. Stick around. Hey, thank you for watching this video. I need you to do me a favor. If you're going to buy an e-bike, go check out RamboBikes.com. Add one to your cart. Use the code RRR Woods down at the discount code. They don't give out a ton of discount codes. I'm one of the few, and I'm super happy to be one of the few. Just see what your total would be. If it's something that's on sale or on closeout, it may not work, but go check out the full price ones and save yourself a bunch of money, and it's almost like it's on closeout. It's that good of a discount. Helps the channel out. It helps all this stuff happen, and it saves you money. I appreciate it. I'm super thankful. Get back to the show.